Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Now there's two vending machines. There's one here, there's another one there. So let's see, 50 ringgit for this Corvette set. Let me rotate. 65 for this Nissan Primera. More expensive if you're buying a Nissan Silvia. Audi 65. 50 if you're buying the Datsun. Okay, let's rotate back. 30 ringgit for this. Yellow Mitsubishi Lancer for Majorette, but there's a flaw. They didn't finish painting the black color. Toyota Team Transport, 80 ringgit. We have Mini GT, Nissan Skyline, Porsche. Okay, let's see at the site. New for 2023. This is the Ford Explorer EV. And then Hot Wheels, which is all news. Premium Staff, Di Tomato Pantera. Let's give it a new name. The K-Swap. Magnus Walker Porsche is nice. Motorbike is nice. Alfa Romeo GTV is also nice. Mopa Neon Speeder Boulevard Series, the Toyota Supra, but 50 ringgit, 10 euro, 18 Australian. 100 for this Nissan Skyline. I know it's very popular. A off-road Datsun wagon. We've seen this before, the Skyline monster truck, but look at the price. Normal monster truck sells for 29.90, 30 ringgit. And because it is a Skyline, I have a chair here, I can sit. Because it's a Skyline, so the price increased to more than triple. Okay, zoom. Pop Race Skyline Hakosuka with opening boot and opening hood. Okay, hood, boot, hood, or trunk, but we don't say trunk. Trunk is in front of an elephant. BMW 750, a large luxury sedan, so is the Maybach. Audi RS6. Now 50 ringgit is a reasonable price. 50 ringgit is just 10 euro for this Mini GT. Land Rover with accessories, so it's a bit more expensive at 55. And the rest at the bottom is 100 ringgit. A gold Supra. The Red Bull, what is that? Mitsubishi Lancer. Nissan Silvia. Okay, this is a Tomica with opening doors and pop-up headlights. This comes with accessories. BM Creation Mitsubishi Lancer 1998 Catalunya Rally. Catalonia is in Spain. RLC release. You can see the shape of the card and the price, 50 Australian dollars, 30 euro. Okay, if you buy this, you get cheap diecast. So anything worth to buy. The third one, the Subaru. Liberty Walk Skyline, the third. Every third car is worth to buy. See? Liberty Walk. So let's not bother. Third car, the red Honda Civic. Another blue Honda Civic at number 3. Yeah, so let's not bother. The only thing I'm contemplating is this, but I want only this. Okay, specifically this. So maybe one day I will buy. Not now though. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I believe this is the longest video of the vending machine. See you next time. Bye.